of March. Sort of do a video just to show you how the grow's going at home. There's quite a lot going on up the greenhouse, up the polytunnel as well. I've been up there this morning doing bits and pieces, preparing the beds ready for the grow this year. I've got some big cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, other various bits going on. But and this morning as well, I come back to the home grow and prepared the 9 pots with the final soil mixture of Jolly number 2, 3, general purpose compost, some with M3 and some other bits and pieces added in, nothing too much, some wall compost, and we'll see how we go. So I'll give you a tour around. Like I said, these are just ready for tomorrow to put the last of the big onions in, which are here. I don't know if you can see them very well. Sort of, there's 9 of these anyway, and there's some better ones at the back, but you can see them here. These are under light still, on 11.5 hours a day. So these will come out of there. Then what else is going on? I've got some chilies, just making the most of the light at the moment, until the big onions go in the pots, and then the lights will be on them, both sets of lights. Show onions, I've got some Billy Lamb, which are looking quite well. Could do with tidying up a little bit, but they're okay. And some Peter Hoden in there at the back, so quite happy. And then there's some bigger onions here, which are spares there, and some other spares here. Got about 5 or 6 spares, I think. So then I've got some leeks, Yorkshire Giants in the back there. Not really looked after them very well. Shouldn't say it, but I haven't. But they're okay. Just keep plugging away at those. And also some Peter Hoden, Billy Lambs at the back. Not looking that special. I've neglected these a little bit, and then I've got some other ones. Again, I've neglected these 250 gram class. Got some coleus that I potted on from last weekend. They seem to have rooted. Kohlrabi. I'm having a go in some big kohlrabi this year, only 2. And then tomatoes, got quite a few. About 25 I think. So I'm growing quite a few up the polytunnel. Various ones, big ones, small ones, hanging basket ones. And then some blanch leeks, which were given to me by Darren Pritchard, which thank you very much. They're just ticking along. I don't expect too much of them. I killed mine back in beginning of January, I think. I don't know what I did, but they weren't very well, so got rid of them. Coleus plants, pinched them out a couple of weeks ago. Lots of new growth now, so yeah, pleased with those. These are the Black Dragon, as I said, new variety for me anyway. So big onions, under lights, like I said, 11.5 hours, growing fairly well. Pretty pleased with them. I've got 5 in different types of soil, different types of pots, air pots and just big bucket pots. Some more chilies in there. There's the onions. So I'm quite pleased with them. Very healthy. No disease, no pest at the moment. Famous last words. Cross my fingers, hopefully I won't get any. I am treating with organic spray, SB Invigorator, and also a couple of I want to say nasty insecticides. I've got Conserve, Dynamec, just trying to think what else I've got, Tracer, and yeah, Conserve, the 3, and also some Bug Killer Ultra, which so I'm alternating the spraying, and I've seemed to have, so far so good, I've kept on top of things. So that's it really. I'm planning on moving the show onions up to the, keep them here for another couple of weeks and then moving them up to the polytunnel in some warm beds, keep them nice and warm, and I'm hoping for good things out of them. Like I said, really pleased with the grow this year so far. Spent a lot more time on it, a lot more focused. Last year, although I got some big onions up to about 12 and a half pounds, it was a bit of a disaster. Made quite a few mistakes and didn't put the effort in. It's all about keeping on top of everything. Thanks for watching. I'll do an update, perhaps another video round about the maybe the beginning of April. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.